just when you thought things were normal. Of course not. Where the fuck are you? You are in India, you assholes. When is it ever normal here? Anyways, welcome to the Local Guys Ruin Everything, episode 5, where nothing is normal. And incidentally, today, the topic we're going to be talking about is the farmers' protest. Ooh, பயமா இருக்கு வந்து arrest
Okay. இவன் இன்னொரு தடவை இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணானு வையேன் கௌசிக்கு சத்தியமா இதை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி ஆதித்யா பி நார்மல் டா
This is your host Aditya Chandramouli aka Panda Boy, and with me are my
Coimbatore KSI.
So random.
இனிமே அப்படிதான்.
Okay, joining with me are my co-host Harimukesh Kalayarasan aka El Dosa.
What up, Saded?
And Mr. Kaushik Balasubramaniam aka Bals aka Balu aka Balal.
Yes.
Like I was saying, the only thing left is for this guy to say weight and height. In the red corner, weighing 50 pounds. We have Balal, this thing.
But
now
I'm
you
happy
three,
those
fight.
names are coming back to in the trend. What do you think, Aditya?
Yeah, right. Wait. I actually have a joke.
okay.
Referring to Kaushik. Yeah. Last week, Kaushik started with a lame-ass joke. I am the king of lame-ass jokes, so I will do my own Kaushik joke. What do you call 100% meaty Kaushik?
Recovering footage, I see.
It's 100% Balal meat. Get it? Halal Balal.
I'm getting childhood flashbacks already. I suppose that would be my my bio. Like I could already see it. Hello ladies. 100%.
Isn't your family like 100% veg?
Oh yeah, right.
Mine. No, that's yeah. The Aditya's is you're fully veg or something, right?
Yeah.
Even you are, right?
No, my sister is.
like,
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
We'll bring on the veg versus non-veg thing when she comes to the podcast. I hate
Did
all
you chain killing pops?
We don't talk about that.
Not bad. People who don't know this, please check out RJ Mirchi Saru's what is that? Veg versus non-vegetarian, featuring my man Kaushik Balasubramaniam. And that is when he decided to become a celebrity, man.
What do you feel? Yeah, here's an interesting question. Would you rather be in a 1 million viewed video without your name mentioned, or be in a video 3K with your name mentioned?
Hey, here's the thing,
like,
okay? So this is listen. Here's the thing. Some of my friends actually saw you, and then like I uploaded a story with you, right? Multiple stories with you. They were like, hey, how do you know him? He's famous. Even Mirchi Saru kuda pannanla. And I'm like, yeah, but எனக்கு அவனோட பேர்லாம் தெரியல. நல்லா.
That's the thing. I haven't told this to anyone. She's done everything but put my name. Will you kill that woman to put Kaushik?
Breaking the fourth wall. Why RJ? Why?
Yes, please.
What happened?
Mirchi Saru ji, please. My boy Kaushik very sad.
We're going to tag you on Instagram story.
Stop doing that. You're not tagging anyone in Instagram story. That's what kind of threat? That is how threats work in the year 2021. Fuck you. Oh yeah, I'll tag you my story now. Oh, you there.
You know what?
Not even block anymore.
You know what? Talking about the press in 2021, like I want to talk about something.
Segue machi.
Fire segue.
கேவலமா இருக்கு சத்தியமா.
Okay. So I want to talk about the things the press of India is not doing, which is actually like talking about the farmers' protest, which is actually happening in Delhi.
Periya Mudavan Arjun, for the president talking, I'm gonna like find out and comment everything.
Yeah, so like I just wanted to like like talk about some serious shit like in our episode.
He's a good host. He's learned to fake laugh also. Anyway, full Jimmy Fallon only. So yeah,
So yeah, like let's start with you, Hari. Like, what is your take on this podcasting or farmers protest? No, don't answer that. Don't answer that.
My thought
That's a
is,
trick question.
I
No.
wish I took engineering properly.
ஆக்சுவலி எங்க அப்பா நான் வந்து சொன்னேன் NIT ட்ராப் அவுட் ஆயிருக்க கூடாதுன்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன் இப்போ. Like, I'm pretty sure I shouldn't have dropped out. But no. Coming back back to this farmers issue has literally, like, when they stormed the Red Fort, that degraded the credibility of farmers among other.
Are you seriously eating chips while in a podcast?
Talking about farmers and that too.
Yeah,
farmers
what the
issue.
fuck, Kaushik? And you're a doctor. I mean, like MBBS graduate, but that doesn't mean you disrespect farmers.
ADH pudichavain. Literally, I just bit one chip. Both of you forgot what we're talking about. You just are on uproar. Continue, da.
Okay. Yeah,
Kaushika cancelled.
Yeah. RJ Saru, please cancel.
What is this Big Boss house, sir? Hello, Arjak. Cancel Kaushik, please. What the hell, woman? Who are you talking to?
Can we please get serious? It's a serious topic.
Okay. Yeah, we were serious. You know how much distracted you are? One literally.
ADHD file.
ADHD for security.
Ada. What the hell?
Okay. Oof, calm down. Yeah, Hari, please. You were saying about our national crisis right now.
True, man. I mean, the farmers are right now. See, when they stormed the Red Fort incident happened, that really loosened the credibility of farmers. But then the farmers themselves, there were some people who were not part of the actual group. These were some misguided folks, but then the farmers took up the responsibility as well.
Yeah.
But my biggest issue with this is right now the whole like it took a Rihanna to tell us that, guys, I think we need to focus on something really important. It's the farmers.
Yeah.
I mean, I actually tweeted to Rihanna, to Riri, saying ki, you know what, the next time I want...
You know what, Chris Brown is right. Why did he wasn't wrong? Sorry, continue. Okay.
No.
You deserve that. Okay.
Oh my god.
I think this podcast is going to be cancelled, man.
But
Ajay Saru, cancel the podcast. He talked about Chris Brown.
I actually tweeted out to Riri today saying, can you please tweet about unemployment and roads in India as well, because I think that needs attention as well. Like, I mean, as soon as she did,
அவங்க ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணாங்களா உங்களுக்கு?
No, it cost.
But I'm going to do this every day. காலையில எந்திரச்சோனே 5 மணிக்கு I will connect with Bhuma Devi and send her a tweet.
5 மணிக்கு ஒண்ணு நினைச்சே 6 மணிக்கு
take a dump, brush your teeth. I didn't see that coming. I guess that was
what she said. Oh my god. Wow, we are on a roll here.
டேய் சத்தியமா சொல்றேன் இது பாட்காஸ்ட்
Okay, coming back.
Okay.
Coming back. Yeah, as Hari told, like it took a fucking Rihanna to like make the Indians like.
Here's an interesting thing I was thinking. What do you feel about these whole celebrities taking, taking responsibility in issues like this? Because a part of them saying there's a whole people don't know if it's a PR act.
It is 100% a PR act, and it is also a survival act. They can't see if they don't do this, they can't survive. See, I get like everyone is like, oh, why are these cricketers right now talking in the favor of government? They are paid by the government.
Exactly.
They are literally they can't do anything. Their survival depends on it.
Yeah, I mean, look at it, man. The protests changed from being in New Delhi to fucking Twitter, man. Like Greta Thunberg was actually like filed an FIR for having some conspiracies.
No.
What was that? Brief me up on that.
Delhi police filed a FIR on Greta
Thunberg. Adan solren nanu. Like the Delhi police sorry boy. So Delhi police filed an FIR against sedition of Greta Thunberg, a 16-year-old. I mean, like, the democracy is screwed up when it files an FIR, like the world's largest democracy is screwed when it files an FIR against a 16-year-old environmentalist. Like, what could that person possibly do to shackle
Very true.
the
true,
world's largest democracy's like roots, man? What the hell is wrong with
Because
these people?
we can actually insert while editing, so let's have the Greta Thunberg's actual tweet which she said. So it's not at all provocative, and the grounds on which it was saying it was creating enmity, I don't think it was.
I just want to have a quick interruption. You told that she just tweeted, Greta just tweeted out saying that we are in solidarity with the farmers protest. Adula enna thappu irukku is what you told. But my Riri, okay, she just told like we should be talking about this. Not even like the positive side, not even the negative side. Ana adike vanditu she was getting a lot of backlash, like a lot of backlash for saying that, oh my god, you're a Firangi and stuff like that, man. That is just like unacceptable.
So, but then there is the thing na ki, see, obviously people of countries don't like other countrymen come into the issues of but this is human rights violation la. When you if I tell you, if I keep you out, if government is like, oh, farm laws are there, we are having talks with them, if the farmers are really bothering to you, then make this your first priority, na?
Exactly.
You're creating more barricades. You're creating more barricades to stop them, not you're putting them on thorns on the road and saying, come, let's talk. How does that even make sense?
Exactly.
So for Greta and Rihanna, it is really sad that Greta and Rihanna had to speak up so that people can act on it.
Exactly. Yes. Otherwise, they will just want to fight among ourselves and.
Yeah, but the most funny thing is when Kanhaiya Kumar just literally tweeted at Greta saying, "Welcome to the club of FIS." I was dead.
Damn.
I was dead.
Here's something I'm really confused about, okay? Like, somehow, personally, I like celebrities who, like, stay quiet. Because they know it's not their thing and they're just, like, minding their thing. But they get backlash for, like, using a celebrity thing and all that. Why aren't you? Because I was a celeb, I'd be like, this is what I perceive as celebrities and politics and all that. We good in acting and all that, we can this thing. But politics is a totally different thing. I'm a Justin Timberlake fan. I don't want him to be president. I mean, he can dance, he can moonwalk, but I don't want him to. Same thing. But what do you feel about the people? Do they have to, like, say something, or do you feel like...
No. Here's the thing. They said after Rihanna's tweet.
Yeah.
So Rihanna was famous enough to swear this conversation to the UN. Like, I was reading through the replies and like UN Rights Commission. There were a lot of famous people who were responding to it, famous NGOs responding to it. So the government needed to respond. So the only famous people in India who have those connections are the Bollywood people. And it's not for them. It's not even like, oh, they hate democracy or shit. It's literally survival instinct. Like they cannot.
Yeah, they have to to the government. So what to do, man?
Yeah, like because I got my hair cut the other day.
Okay.
Not the other day, as in like the last time when I got nearby only, the usual place, and that the person who cuts, he knows me, and he's like,
he asked for a shout out on the show.
Yo, நம்மளை விட அவனுக்கு தான் நிறைய கஸ்டமர்ஸ் வருவாங்க, நம்ம தான் அவங்க கிட்ட shout out கேட்கணும்.
But you know what he said was, he was just because he knows me for a long time, he's like, "Bhaiya, aapko kya lagta hai? What do you think about Shah Rukh Khan?" He said, I'm like, he's a nice actor. And he's like, "Nahi bhaiya, he takes money from Pakistan. No, Akshay Kumar will save us." Save who? He's like, save Bollywood.
Oh my god.
So the thing is,
Akshay Kumar is out there asking Modi, "Aam khate hai, how are you eating mangoes?" Like how the hell is he supposed to like
Another rubbish.
Did you see the interview?
From what?
No, Akshay Kumar actually interviewed Narendra Modi, and it was supposed to be a non-political interview. I think you might have heard about it or something.
Yes,
and I kid you not, Akshay Kumar directly asked this to Modi, like, how do you eat your mangoes? Do you eat the mangoes like normal people while peeling it, or like by cutting it or something like that?
Obviously, I don't blame. They go to Akshay Kumar, you're going to have a full non-political talk with a politician. Right. I can see the interview. So, sup? Nothing. Mangoes.
You were saying, Kaushik?
Yeah, exactly. Like, this Hari was like, Akshay is going to save us. Akshay Kumar is going to save us. From what? Varun Dhawan. That's the only thing we're saving from the Bollywood. For those seeing Coolie #1.
But the thing is, my thinking is not that, oh my God, he's talking rubbish. My thinking is that, oh, this is just misinformation. Like, how are these people getting it? And how fast is the spread? This is someone who's cutting, like he's telling me, he'll tell other people also. I am informed enough to know that, oh, this is lies. But there may be other people who come, who are not who are not, because I cut my hair very cheaply, which was $50. So yeah,
Okay.
I still go to places like that because those people literally know how to cut your hair. Like, they are the best.
I feel that India is a late bloomer, man. Like, it's getting to things very, very, very late. Like, when it comes to the, for example, when it comes to
Our podcast.
okay, that one also. But like when it comes to the stand-up scene, like we're just like 10 to 20 years into it, and still like we are getting death threats over some sort of alleged jokes and and at the same time, like we technically don't even have freedom of speech, man. Like I was talking with Hari about this, and like we decided like we need some sort of a cultural renaissance of sorts, man, to like.
Oh, you use my term right now.
Yeah,
I using my term.
I saw the text message. He's like, we need to be a culture thing. Hari, no.
Yeah, I completely agree with you, Hari.
You die, why me?
But I actually said this word because the last time I used this word was when the Hathras rape case happened.
Yeah.
I was even afraid to tweet out because I just don't want to. Like, there is a lot of people that I just don't want to be engaged in a conversation with, because right now when I put story up, there are literally like 17 DMs right now in my chat. They are like, oh, what are you now? You are supporting this. What you want to talk about? You want to talk about politics now? Can't you do comedy and all? I am
Seriously?
Both the same.
This is literally what's happening.
Wow. Okay.
The one reason that that's why I put a very sophisticated text that day when Hathras rape case happened. Exactly. The people, I decently put saying ki India, in short, needs a cultural renaissance. India never saw a renaissance. India never saw. The thing is, and it is the fault of all the governments, not just this government. It was the responsibility of the government to educate people about the governmental procedures.
True.
How does a vote happen? And the thing is, people are still unaware of it because the previous governments also forgot to educate this also.
Yeah. Ironically,
another interesting thing is, you're saying they don't educate. Maybe they don't want to educate them, because more education means more like opposition, more own thoughts, and the last thing we need is us thinking by ourselves. Like,
exposure but
no, the thing is, it's about the way governments rule. And I was telling Aditya as well, you see, every governmental rule, or especially democracy, is a very fragile structure. Monarchical culture is a very strong culture because the owner and the ruler is one.
To keep this as one line, do you feel the democracy here is aspiring to be monarchical, but saying they're a democracy?
I would disagree. I would, because there is still time. The only way this could happen is the youth of this nation, because the young people need to enter into politics, public service, police.
Oh, we just enter the passport immigration place. We just get the hell out of here. That's what we first thing we do. So
see, I'll tell you what, okay? the first
like
time
that way.
one of my
You must study
friends
well and- yeah.
one of my friends like said, hey, can you send me a post of one of my package came, but I can't, I'm not in she was in Kerala that time, so she's like, could you send it to me? And I'm like, in my brain I'm like, I don't know where the post office is. That's a simple thing. Post office la poite eppadi post pannunu theriyadu.
No. It's like the girls ask Hari, can you send the post? Hari's like, like coconut.
Ironically, I felt safer living in what's that, like Manmohan Singh's government.
Don't
It
say
was like,
Okay.
Hey,
like
Mr.
I
Modi,
never thought that, dude. You have no idea how much of a fanboy, Modi fanboy I was, man. Like that was before the elections, like came.
I know, even
2014
I-
election.
Below Aditya's Eminem post and a Modi post will be there.
No. You can ask my school friends even right now. I have a fucking story. Wait, let me tell you this, okay? So, in 10th grade, that is when Modi won. Wow, right now I'm using Modi. What the fuck? Okay, fine. Never mind.
இப்போதான் கட் பண்ண வேணாம்னு நினைச்சேன்.
Yeah, okay. So
Prime Minister
Mr. Okay, Prime Minister. So the Prime Minister won the elections. I kid you not. Like I went to the ஏதோ கடைக்கு போயிட்டு I bought like Melody chocolates. Okay, because Melody is my most favorite chocolate. I bought 3 packets of Melody and I fucking distributed it to like all the people I knew in school. And அப்பலேருந்து I kid you not, like after 12th standardல வந்துட்டு இது பண்ணுவாங்கல்ல, ஐயோ farewell பண்ணுவாங்கல்ல, so farewellல வந்துட்டு like a bunch of students got their like recognition of sorts, and I got this like plaque which says that like Aditya so and so. கடைசியில் என்ன இருந்துச்சு தெரியுமா? மோடி ஃபாலோவர்னு இருந்துச்சு. I kid you not, Modi follower இருந்துச்சு. That was how much of a fanboy I was.
Can we
like
have a pic of that on this page?
Sure. Like no, can I like bring it out right now? Can I like bring it out?
Let's on the editing, let's put it on there.
Yeah, sure. You have no idea how much of a Modi fanboy I was, man. Like I was
Same for me.
I was the most disappointed when all this shit happened, man.
I would say I worry about your childhood. Like, can't you see cartoons like a normal kid? You're walking around like you're like the kid from Jojo Rabbit.
2011, same as Aditya, I was tired of the Congress government, man. I mean, see, I genuinely feel Congress has existed before the Gandhis. It will exist after the Gandhis.
True.
I personally believe Shashi Tharoor should take up the MEA because he can run it amazingly.
He could be a better prime minister, man, to be honest.
The thing is,
I see a title for this video.
No, seriously, man.
Problem. No, I agree with Aditya on this.
Yeah.
And my thing is, Congress should cut off its. The main reason there is still nepotism in BJP. ऐसा नहीं है. But the problem is, it is not as like on the screen as the Gandhis. Like Rahul Gandhi has been trying to launch itself for the. He's 50. I think he's 50 plus. I guess
48, man.
He's
48.
He's like the Prince,
He's my mom's
he's
age,
the
bro.
Prince Charles of India.
He's my mom's age.
Why do you know all this? What
I don't know, random shiz.
Read sports, damn it.
No, Rahul Gandhi is 50. Rahul Gandhi
50,
is literally 50.
Okay,
Yeah, he's
okay,
50.
Okay.
He's 1970 born.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
saying you're trying to launch him for this year. It's not working. Leave him.
அவனே போறேன்னு தான் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கான். அவனுங்க தான் உயிரை வாங்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
என்னைய விடுங்க.
It's the literal definition of man-child. You know, for once he was speaking sense. Like during the farmers' protest, he was like, let's have a dialogue. அப்படின்னு சொன்னதுக்கும் வந்துட்டு அந்த ஸ்மிருதி இரானிக்கு பொறுக்கவே இல்லை. She was directly her idea of a rebuttal was a random ass statement saying that like அது பேர் என்ன, Rahul Gandhi is anti-Indian, he's going to like invoke violence against people. I mean, like, what is wrong with y'all, man? See, you don't. A lot of people were telling that okay, the BJP was following their own ideologies, so avangaloda point la irundhu Rahul Gandhi sonnadu vanditte like it might not be fair for them appdin solradhukku I just say to them, okay, you don't have to have a fucking ideology to know what is humane and inhumane, right? That's my whole question here.
I would decently say this, and I saw
Okay.
this title on the print or news laundry. I'm not sure, but
Okay.
it says, "Does politicization of farmers protest, is it good or bad?"
Good one, actually. Yeah, yeah.
Any publicity
So-
is good publicity. Simple as that.
I wouldn't say.
This
Yeah.
is because the opposition is the one politicizing the farmers' protest. So I am saying the
Oh,
Congress
okay.
should not support the farmers unless and until the Gandhis are out.
Actually makes sense.
Yeah, that actually
That's
makes
Then
sense.
there will
But
be
once
no,
it- once it
because
Gandhis
then
are
there is no
Congress.
counter. In adukapram there is no counter.
And there is no Congress also.
No, there is
No, there
Congress.
is Congress, man. Like there are formidable leaders. We just talked
There
about
are
Shashi
so
Tharoor,
many-
right?
Shashi Tharoor is
Yeah.
there, and then the ex-law minister is also the law. I don't remember his name, but he's also there. What I am saying
Kapil
is,
Sibal.
I think we can be pragmatic in this and think about it. Right now, it's not about what you say. If you are
ADHD,
thinking
yeah.
about the country, if you are thinking about the country, you will gladly leave the party, knowing that
Yeah.
you are the one causing the trouble in the party. But when even the Gandhis know it, for them it's not about the goodness of India, or they want to save the country. It's just politicization, man. It's just for their own.
Exactly.
Ironically,
In other words, I take it like this. Once they see a huge wave of opposition against their enemy, their opponent, obviously going to bank on it. That's the first thing. They're not going to see who's right, wrong. They have, if this works, they can use it to their advantage.
Exactly.
True.
Exactly.
I'll give an example. The whole corona outbreak thing. I mean, all of us are sinking ship. At that point, instead of trying to work together at that point, the first thing is what did Modi do that time? What did the country do that? What did this party do this time?
Why are you putting lockdown? See, my thing is, why are you putting lockdown so far? Why didn't you take? See, I agree, it was a very hasty lockdown, but again, India is doing way better in their COVID numbers than most developing countries and developed countries in general.
Well,
Yeah,
So I
we've
would
got-
give props to that.
yeah, we've got the most number of herd immunities, right? Like that itself is like a
That's-
huge.
Because we've been through all infection now. We've fucking taken all of it. We're already infected.
We are doing better. I just feel
Ah.
that Modi government needs the current government of India should deviate from the religious affairs totally if they want, because this year's budget, if you see last budgets and all, very vague. It is like, oh, we will do this, we will do this. But this year's budget, they literally bought the chief executive for the I don't remember. It's KV Subramaniam. Very. I am actually. He was one of the doctorate student of
What, you're a
Raghuram
fan- You're a
Rajan.
fan of it when you're smaller.
No,
That's
no,
most
he
of
was.
it,
So
yeah.
I like Raghuram Rajan. He was doctorate student was this fellow, and he has been
Okay.
working. So for me, they are using numbers. They are finally using datas to have a good. It is still, like, in my consideration, a very vague,
work in
budget,
progress.
but it is
A work
better
in
than the all
progress.
other previous budgets.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It's a budget. That's how the second are. It's a what kind of budget? It's a budget. We have numbers. We can work with this.
Okay, so
Oh my god! What do you do with this budget? We put it in the post office. Oh shit! Oh, I'm lost.
Like a huge thing to do. A huge task is Indian cuisine. Like
Yeah.
you've got like millions and millions of different.
Monday chili chicken. Tuesday pepper chicken.
Yeah, man. Like quoting Veerdas, ours is an audio, not audio. ஏதோன்னு சொல்லுவானே audio food அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவான் அவன். It's not a visual food, but it's like a super scrumptious audio kind of food. Like whenever you're eating, that orgasmic feels and all will come every single time you eat.
Yeah, we're not going for dinner out. That's what I'm saying. You do stuff like that.
I'm never
Bro,
going
I'm a
to-
food connoisseur, boy. Connoisseur.
All I can say
Connoisseur
right
is
now
French
it's-
bread, right? Yeah. No, I'm kidding. I know what connoisseur is.
I like how we were like, while talking about politics, we were so mature. Right
So
now we're like,
serious, yo, man.
Macha, it's a concert.
I was scared in the politics talk. Now I'm like, universe restored. Everything's back to where it is. But so, I can see this guy making a food blog. He'll be like, tasting one more.
Aditya will be the blue. Aditya will be the blue satay for food, man. என்ன நல்லாவே
அதாவது பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்னது உப்பு கூட இல்ல.
எப்போ மாதிரி உப்பு இருந்துச்சு, காரம் இருந்துச்சு.
இந்த செகண்ட் ஹாஃப்ல பார்த்த உப்பு கொஞ்சம் கம்மியா இருந்துச்சு. They're like, sir, are you going to pay a bill or what? Kaushik, hurry, can you take care of that?
Kaushik, but you didn't tell what was your dream?
Yeah,
I swear to God, yeah, my dream job, I'm definitely a pro wrestler. Except for the training part and getting bulked up. I feel any job is best if I have my own theme music composed for me. I play that and walk in. It's not
what is your theme music? What is your theme music going to be?
Vati Kamika.
Segue that whole joke. Mine. Another thing, what do you think is like a job you're like, I'm never going to take? Like, it's a nightmare, you can pay, but I'm not going to take this job. It's like shit. More like you look at people whose job and you're like, why?
That's Aditya, you tell. What do you think, man?
He's going to say the course he's studying right now, watch.
No, man, I think like it's bearable. Engineering is bearable, so that is there.
Like the more I grow, the more I'm forced into engineering. I feel like it's a very comfortable. It's like if I get like a 6-digit salary in way,
You know why you find your engineering? You know the reason you're saying this because I talked about my medicine thing too much. I feel like kuch paravala.
No,
they focus on 5 days a day. We have Saturday, Sunday off.
It's not even only because of you, like we can literally do anything with an engineering degree except for become a doctor.
Exactly.
Except for the medicine part. Or like going for a medicine or like MBBS or even physiotherapy kuda, we can do anything else.
Yeah.
Wait. You never know. Next year they make some bridge course or something. People can freaking become do surgeries. It's gonna happen in a year or two. So wait for that.
What if I become young? Okay, the ex-defense minister of India, Manohar Parrikar. Manohar Parrikar, who was also the ex-CM of Goa, IIT graduate.
Is that a step up or a step down?
It is a great step. Okay. Sundar Pichai did engineering. You know this, right?
Yeah.
But right now he's working in Google. But guess what he did his bachelor's in?
Mechanical engineering.
No, he did it in metallurgy.
Oh.
Yeah.
So we could do
literally like, what is this metallurgy?
No. I'm thinking the metallurgy students who are listening to this like, we still have hope. I think we could do something with our lives.
But that's
so I think that answers the question.
Engineering job is comfortable, but one job that I would never do is become a doctor and especially a gynecologist. Because no one would come, first of all.
Yeah.
Especially in India. Second,
who's talking about India? Go to Prague. Hari knows what I'm talking about. Everyone knows what I'm talking about.
OnlyFans pile.
OnlyFans illa bro. Fake hospital.
Illa. Yeah, but.
Yeah.
But yeah. But you know, like I've never want to be a gyno doctor, like doctor, especially a gynecologist, because my friends right now who are doing their internship, whenever it comes to their baby department, they're like, Hari, please call Panirada.
No. For me, like when I was doing my gynecology posting, I was like, I was asking the details like, which gynecologist doctor looks good, like and all. That's how we like talk between that. He's like, no one. Kaushik, by the end of the 2 weeks, you'll hate women. I remember like after like finally, they say like, you're seeing the birth of life. I'm like, yeah, you see the devil first. You see all the women screaming, the doctor screaming, the nurses, all that. I'm like,
Yeah, because my friends tell me this insane story of gynos being so immune. when the mother is shouting, the main doctor is like, "Yama, konja nera pesama iruma." I'm like, she's giving birth, yo. Can't you see?
No, but
What's
seriously,
happening?
the stress comes on you. I remember like it's like a thing. 5 days in a gynecology posting. Na chuba kadide irke. We can it's a child with why. And I am like,
Because
தாயில்லாமல் நான் இல்லை. Please cue the music editor. Yeah, go on.
But you know, like we've been told, like, oh, respect women. But here, a
Oh,
woman
wait,
is
that
literally
reminds me of
shouting
one
at
thing.
another woman.
I haven't
giving
told you
birth.
this thing, okay?
Please shut up, ma.
This is not even a joke. It's not even a joke, okay? This is
I am
something
not
used in
ready, ma.
gynecology posting. In gynecology posting, I used to do this, okay? Like, so when he gave birth and all that, so we'll take the baby, keep in the incubator, okay? So everyone's doing all the work after that, like, you know, the painkillers and, you know, like, cleaning up. What I would do is, I will stand in front of the baby and wait for some 20 seconds till he opens its eyes.
Sup, bitch.
I'm like, hey,
Imagine.
what's up?
Welcome to
The
her.
doctors are like, welcome to the earth.
Kaushik
I
will be
your
like,
host."
Kaushik will be like,
Welcome to the earth. I'm your host, Kaushik Balasubramanian.
Kaushik is like, just when you think things were getting better.
Dun, 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 dun.